Today we're going to practice finding simple interest. As I read this word problem to you, I'm going to highlight important information. Kent earned $80 in interest on his savings account in 2 years. The bank paid a simple interest rate of 5%. He used the formula I equals P times R times T, where I equals the interest earned, P equals the principal, R equals the rate, and T equals the time. What was his initial deposit, P, into his savings account? On the EOG, they may or may not give you that formula. Even if they give you the formula, you still need to understand what each of the values mean. So if we break this down, I know that I earned $80 in interest. Well, interest is usually what I'm solving for. So in this example, I'm actually given the answer. The interest is $80. That means I'm going to be solving for part of the question. And as I look at my very last piece of information, which I forgot to highlight for you, I want to know the initial deposit, P, which means I'm going to be solving for the principal. I don't know how much money he put into his account. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I know that my interest rate is 5%. Please remember that if you don't have a calculator that does percentages for you, you need to change that percent to a decimal. 5% as a decimal is 0.05 because you moved the decimal 2 places to the left. So it's 0.05. And my time is 2 years. As I solve it, I'm going to put it into this equation right here. I already know my interest. It's 80. I don't know my principal, so I'm going to leave that as a variable. I'm going to use 0.005 as my rate because it's simply easier to show on this paper. And then my time is 2 years. This is just an equation. All you have to do is finish solving this equation. I am going to draw my great divide. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to do 0.05 times 2, which gives me 0.1. That equals 80. This is multiplication between the P and the 0.1, so I'm going to undo that by dividing both sides by 0.1. 80 divided by 0.1 is 800, which means my principal is $800. That's how much money Ken deposited in his account.